Hi everybody! Alright, so I got another video. We're on a roll here. It's not at least 3 months down the road. So I got the October bag for IPSY, so we're going to unbox that. Now, I have a feeling I'm going to stop IPSY, and it's not because of the quality of the products or anything, and actually it's a pretty good deal for what you pay. Unfortunately, in Canada, you can't use the points. And you can't get things shipped. I mean, they include it if you add more, like when anybody who's familiar with IPSY, you get the bag, they tell you at the beginning of the month, you can either choose a product and then they base your bag on that one choice and then they add in the rest. Or you say, no, completely surprise me. And, I mean, you have a profile, but, you know, so you don't know what's in the box. And then you can add on stuff if you want, like, it will give you a window to add some things on that you have to pay, but you can't use your points. And then they do have a points area, but the selection is very minimal and you can't just use your points arbitrarily in Canada. So unfortunately, that is the reason I'll be stopping IPSY now that I've discovered it. And so I've started BoxyCharm just to see how that goes. Just waiting for the delivery though. My add-ons showed up today, but the main box is not here yet. So I will get to that a few days later. So anyway, so we're going to go for the IPSY October. And again, this will probably be the last one. And yeah, I'll leave my code down below if you are interested in trying IPSY. And certainly if you're in the States, it's no problem at all. You get all the benefits. All right. So let's get started with the stuff. So the bag that we have for this month is this bag, and it's very nice. It's got a very nice celestial feel to it, and on the back it says "Your Magic," and then it's got this cute little thing for the zipper. It's a star and a moon. And before I forget, speaking of star and moon, I was talking to my mother today, and it's October 31st, and this is going to be passed before I upload it, but if I upload it today, then tonight is the blue moon, and it won't happen on Halloween for another 75 years. So, unless you're 10, get outside and look at it. So, anyway, that was a little tidbit from my mom. So now let's get into the bag. So we have the box, the little card that's inside. And that tells us what it is, and it's Your Magic, like it said on the bag. And it will tell us the prices and everything on everything. So I'll put it aside and I'll read it afterwards. And so we'll start with the stuff that was outside the bag. And I got some extra masks. So I got 2 of these kind, and I'll just get this out and show you the package. And it's Puriface Dermal Purifying Sheet Mask. And let's read the back here. It says that the Puriface Collagen Max Sheet Mask. The advanced sheet mask was developed to make your skin feel healthy and vibrant. Active ingredients such as niacinamide. Oh boy, come up with some good words in makeup. Niacinamide, sorry. Work to brighten your skin for an even complexion. Botanical ingredients like a noni fruit extract moisturizes the skin so that complexion looks revitalized while providing softer and firmer looking skin. We're all for softer and firmer. And the directions, just a mask. You just open the package, pop it on, and then I'll try it in the future and just see how much liquid's in there. I sadly had a whole series of mask information, and where I stored the pictures screwed up the whole order, so start again. So I'll try these out, and we've got infused with aloe, and then the other one is infused with noni. So I guess it's the same for that nana that I couldn't pronounce, and then the other one has aloe. So there we go. So and they're quite heavy, so they feel like they've got a good amount of liquid in there, or moisturizing stuff. So then the next one we have are 2 from called Timeless Beauty Bar. And these are the two. And so they, let's see, they do two different things. So the green one does repair cooling face sheet mask, and it has seaweed, chamomile, and mushroom extract. I didn't realize mushrooms were good for your skin. And the other one is rose and aloe, and it's a last night never happened. Oh, I see. On the front it tells you simply on the front. The green one that is with the seaweed and the chamomile and the mushroom is for after fun in the sun, which isn't happening because it's fall, but that's okay. And it has an anti-inflammatory, calming and hydrating and repairing, and it has one sheet. And then the pink one, as I said, has rose and aloe in it, and it said like last night never happened. And it does depuffing, hydrating, reduces redness, and is soothing. And it also has one sheet for the package. And we'll see the back. Yeah, it has really simple instructions. It's a nice package. I'll just show you the back because it's pretty basic, but it's clear. I like that. Simple. So that's the other mask. So, and these ones don't feel quite as heavy, but they do feel, significant. So I look forward to trying them. So that was outside. Oh, then we have this next bottle that was included. Now, I've tried Sunday Riley, and I had another product. I should have brought it out, but it's a toner for oily skin from Sunday Riley, and it's in a green bottle. It is horrible. I'll maybe make a post on my blog or something. I don't know if the product works well. It seemed okay when I tried it, but the smell was like just not nice. And I looked on other videos here on YouTube just to see, and yeah, apparently the smell is quite powerful, and some people don't mind it. I don't like it, but some people don't, so it's too bad. So now we have this other product from Sunday Riley, and I've heard they got really good skincare stuff, but hopefully it doesn't stink like the other stuff. So this one, I will show you the bottle, or Margot will show you the bottle. And this is a A+ high dose Retinoid Serum. Advanced strength retinoid serum delivers a 6.5% power blend of stabilized retinols and oh god, I've got my glasses on and I can barely read it. And retinoid-like botanical extracts into the skin. Wow. And that was just the front of the bottle. That's not even the instructions. Oh, those are even tinier. Okay, serum delivers. So it says about the same thing. Then it talks about the percentages of stuff in here. And, oh, okay. All of that information and the directions are apply at night to clean skin. That's it. So I'll try this out. Retinol is supposed to be good for your skin unless you're highly allergic to it. I've known a few people that are. So I look forward to trying it. Hopefully it doesn't smell, but I'll let you know. Now we get to dig into the bag. Mystery bag. So let's close my eyes and we'll just grab something out of here. A little squeezy bottle. Okay, let's see. Ooh, tiny. Okay. Wow. This is cute. Check this out. Little tiny container. Wow, I don't even know if I'm going to be able to read this. I need my friend's daughters here to read this. This is Maracuja Tinted Hydrator, and it's from Tarte. Maracuja. I'm sorry if I'm butchering that, but it's Mara, M-A-R-A, and then C-U-J-A. And it made me think of Cujo, so Q-J. I don't know if that translates. So this is Tinted Moisturizer. So, I was hoping to compare this to our marykay CC cream. This is would be a similar item, so we'll test that out. So that's Tarte. Next item up for grabs in our little magic bag. Oh, that's something square. Let's see what this is. Ooh, oh, we've had this brand before. This is Will Powder. They have these cute names. This is from the Balm, and they always have like little names of the products and make it into men's names. It's cute. So that is Will Powder, and it is a blush, and it's called Stamina, I believe, is the shade name. So let's open her up. It slides out of the cardboard. They've got really cute packaging, the Balm. It's like sort of like oh, what's that other brand? Oh, the name escapes me now. Comment below if you remember. It's in boxes as well, and it's got blushers and contours, and it's based on something from the 50s. I hope it comes to me before the end of the video. Yep, this color's called Stamina. And I'll just show you the inside because it's got a little writing as well on from there, and that's the shade of the blush. That's a nice blush color, actually. Very nice, kind of a plum. Okay, so that's that, and then we'll get that. And the next item up for grabs. I feel like Bob Barker on The Price is Right. And the next prize up for guessing. Okay, so here we go. Another squeezy tube, and I'll get Margot to show you that. This is from Smashbox. And this is Photo Finish Oil and Shine Control. It's a primer, right, because we have a primer, so I wanted to test it out against our primer just to see how it performs. And so yeah, it's a primer. You just put it on, and I believe it's just your whole face. So yeah, you just put this on before you put your makeup on after you've washed your face, and it makes your foundation stick better. So we'll try that out. And next, if I can break into the pouch. Here we go. Oh, there's a couple of, is that it? Okay, so there's one big item and then another one, so we'll go with the next one. Oriza or Oriza. Someone tell me if it's Y or I pronunciation. And that's this box here. And I'll open it up. So this one says Astral Amethyst Shimmer Eyeshadow. And oh, it gives us the color on the back, so we will pop this open and see what it looks like inside. Ooh, pretty. Oh, and it doesn't come with a mirror though. Okay, and we got Shadow here with us. Shadow. Hi, girl. Hello. My lovely assistant. She's with me all the time. She helps me out with everything. Well, don't you wish you had a cute, lovely assistant like her? Okay. Alright, so this is the eyeshadow. And it's really nice, and it actually really goes with the blush that they sent us. So this is nice because it's got 2 mattes and 2 shimmers. So these are really nice fall colors. So that's a nice little quad of colors, so I look forward to trying that. And the last item in the bag, yep, is from Ofra. I love Ofra. I just like the packaging. It's really nice. I'll get Margot to show you Ofra. Oh, she's getting a little kiss from Shadow. And we'll open it up. And Ofra is a highlighter. So what's the name? I don't know if it says what this is. Highlighter Blissful, it's called. Okay, so here we go. And then I'll just show you the color without the lid on it. So it's really nice. Ofra makes really nice highlighters. They're known for that. They make other things, but they're known for their highlighters. So, and it's a full-size one. That's really nice. Full-size item. And that's the IPSY bag for October. And as I said, I may or may not have another one, but I'm going to cancel for the said reasons earlier in the video. And yeah, and that's it for this video. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Take care. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.